Good morning, everyone out there. Mr. UnBreakIt here. Today, not fixing anything yet. See how it goes. But we're going to be installing the what's called a wireless fence. But the funny thing about it is, you run a wire around the perimeter of your yard. So you're supposed to bury it. Well, as you can see with the woods back here, I'm not going to be burying it. But I guess they mean the wireless part is from the collar down to the wire there. And they also make a wireless fence that has a central base. It sends out a signal around your whole property, and then if they start to leave the range of the base, it will give them a response, and then keep giving them a response until they get back in the right area, which that's an advantage over that with that type of system. This one is just once they get near the wire I've got laid out there, it'll give them a correction, and then they come back. So if they bust through there though, then they're just home free. So each system has its advantages. What I don't like about the wireless ones is I've heard that they can just get basically shocked just from signals in the air sometimes, cell phone waves, different radio frequencies, and I wouldn't want that to happen, because then they'd be all kinds of confused. I've used this type of system before, and you can do instead of just a circle, I'll be able to go exactly zigzag around the house and whatnot. So show you how to do this. It's pretty basic. You just get it out, plug it in, and run your wire. I gotta figure out where I want to put it exactly. Oh, Yiggs, you got your fence. Then you can roam free, no leash. Yeah, you can dig all kinds of holes in my yard then. Alright, let's see how it goes. Mr. UnBreakIt. Alright, wireless dog fence here. I've used one of these before, so I didn't think I'm going to have to read the instructions, because Mr. UnBreakIt rarely reads instructions. I'd rather do it 2 or 3, 4 or 5 times than read instructions. But look at this. So this normally just plugs into the wall, and you got one wire goes around your yard, comes back in the other side. Simple. I love it. But they got to throw this into the mix, which is a surge protector. Which I understand this part for a surge protector, but they want you to surge protect the wire, I guess, in your yard. So this complicates things. So I'm afraid I'm gonna have to open one of these up. Look at that. What is all those letters? What are all these words? Gee. Warning, warning, caution. My word. Well, I'm gonna need some time to comprehend all this. So I'm gonna start with the part that I do understand, which is rolling out the wire around the perimeter of the property. Just gotta figure out where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna use this outlet here, even though it's gonna be exposed to the elements. Once the system's in place, I can unplug it most of the time. They'll know the perimeters of the yard, and they won't even try it. So I'm using this outlet because it's outside, it's easy to get to, and I'm just gonna start running the wire. 500 foot. See how far that gets me. Oh, dang. This is the hard part. Getting down low here, getting through some of this brush. That's part of it. There we go. Now we got opening. Huh. Except for I think I'm gonna go back in here. So I got it strung around the whole property, maybe a couple acres or an acre. But look at this, look how close it came. I'm gonna barely have enough wire to do this. That ends there. That ends there. Oh my word. I'm literally just enough wire. That's cutting it UnBreakIt close. All right, got it all, the wire all streamed around the perimeter, plugged it into the box here, and then just plug it in. But it's beeping like I got a break in the line. So I need to check my one splice I got. Well, it's not working, it's just beeping. So now I read the instructions, and all else has failed. It should be able to work without that surge protector. So I need to find another piece of wire to test it, a little short piece of wire. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wire in the surge protector since it's not working without it. This says one's a loop and one's a transmitter. So loop, that's the loop. So that's the transmitter. Had to pop this little door off here in order for this to fit. And looks like this goes back in there with these somehow. That was a job for Mr. UnBreakIt. Alright. See, of course, that screw hole doesn't line up there, so I won't be able to do that. Alright. Loop. See that? Just the loop. This one, these two go to the transmitter. And then now I just need that other wire down there to go to the loop. Plug it back in. Then the fun part, burying all this wire. Which I showed you before in one video, how to use the chainsaw as a little mini ditch witch. Okay. Check. Plug it in. Plug it in. What? There. Plug this in. No beeping. Now. Beeping! See, I knew you could use this without the surge protector. I broke my wire somewhere out there in the woods. Or it was already broke. Okay, I figured it out. My wire's not broken in the woods like I was thinking. And I don't have to use this surge protector, but since I've already got it hooked up, I'm gonna... All I had to do was open the dang thing up. There's an adjustment there. See that? That's the boundary control. It's gonna beep like that when it's down low, no matter what. So Yeah, back in business. Don't forget to open the little door whenever you're installing one of these. Make a lot more sense. Make sure my dog's not right next to it, and she is. Let's move you over here, farmer. Where do you want to be? Up there? Okay. Now we can plug it in again. Even without wiring in the surge protector. And it should be good to go. See that? No beeping. There's about 5. And then this is A, B, and C. We want A because we're bigger than 2,400 feet. That means we gotta turn this up some more. There we go. There we go. All set. But I am gonna wire in that surge protector just because I've already got it out of the box. I understand it now. And if lightning does hit your wire out there, I hate to lose, you know, it's 180 bucks, 200 bucks. Normally I would never use any of that, but getting a little older, deciding to use surge protectors. Yeah, Mr. UnBreakIt endorses surge protectors now. Okay, that's done. Now there is a mount here. I'll get a couple screws and I can put that up on the wall. And I'm gonna put a Ziploc bag around it before I do that, just to keep water off of it. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that. Maybe the same thing there. But we got the perimeter. Mr. UnBreakIt. All right, so we got the collars all powered up. The wire ran around the perimeter. Now the last step is putting up these little flags. That way, it's important for your pets and people to know that there's a wireless fence. And so that my dogs already know about, if they see that yellow wire there, they know. But I'm gonna put flags up too, just to give them an extra reminder. Say, hey, don't go over here. Plus, it'll make my neighbors feel better when they see Dobermans, to at least know that there's a wireless fence. So, let's open those up a little bit there. There we go. Done deal.